think of the Honor X series, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For me, it's durability. Honor built this lineup to survive drops and water, and the new Honor X80 Pro Max takes that idea even further. It now combines a rugged build with a massive battery and a gorgeous display. But is it the complete package? Let's find out. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from TechieStreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. First, the design. The Honor X80 Pro Max looks far more premium than a typical mid-range phone. The red vegan leather back paired with gold camera accents creates a luxury look that's hard to ignore. In fact, it might even remind you of a famous flagship. I'll let you guess which one. Even better, it feels great in the hand without needing a case. Now, here's where this phone really stands out: durability. Honor's super dynamic drop resistance comes with an incredible 6-year drop protection guarantee. You also get a rare 2-year accidental screen replacement service. Add IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings, plus Honor's submarine architecture, and you've got a phone that's ready for water, dust, and everyday accidents without the constant worry. Next comes the biggest surprise: the battery. If you thought 10,000 milliamp hours was huge, Honor just raised the bar. The X80 Pro Max packs an enormous 11,000 milliamp hour 4th generation Qinghai Lake battery without making the phone bulky. In testing, over 8 hours of video playback consumed only 23% battery. That means 2 full days of normal use is easily possible. And with 90-watt fast charging plus 27-watt reverse wired charging, it can even work as a power bank when another device runs low. The display is another highlight. You get a 6.8-inch 1.5K OLED flat screen with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and an eye-catching 10,000 nit peak brightness. Whether you're outdoors or watching at night, the display stays bright, clear, and comfortable. Features like 3840 Hz PWM dimming, Oasis eye protection, dual eye defocus protection, natural light display, and the new Pixel Dynamic Shift anti-burn-in technology help protect both your eyes and the screen over time. Performance is solid too. The Snapdragon 6 series processor combined with Honor's Hummingbird architecture handles daily tasks with ease and runs games like Honor of Kings smoothly. Magic OS feels fast and polished, offering transparent mode, customizable lock screen widgets, and smooth animations. Plus, the cross-device ecosystem lets you mirror the phone to a Mac and transfer files quickly, making everyday use even more convenient. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this phone might surprise you. The Honor X80 Pro Max features a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS and flagship-level SEPA 6.0 stabilization. Whether it's bright daylight or low-light night shots, it delivers sharp, reliable photos with a high success rate. Most images look ready to post straight to social media without editing. I've also included plenty of camera samples throughout this video, so you can decide for yourself. The camera isn't the only highlight. The X80 Pro Max is loaded with useful features like full-scene NFC, an IR blaster, dual-frequency GPS, tri-frequency Beidou, 360-degree surround technology, and a red quad antenna design. These upgrades make it especially useful for delivery riders and anyone who works outdoors. Honor also launched the new FlyPods 5i earbuds alongside the phone. The transparent window and stylish square charging case give them a premium look, and even opening the case feels satisfying. But they're not just about looks. The FlyPods 5i offer up to 55 dB active noise cancellation, reducing noise from airplanes, trains, and other busy places. Dual 11mm and 6mm dynamic drivers, LHDC high-definition audio, and high-res gold certification deliver rich, detailed sound. I've included a short audio sample so you can hear the difference. each earbud weighs only 5.1 grams, making them comfortable for long listening sessions. Battery life is excellent too, with up to 46 hours of total playback using the charging case. For most people, one charge a week is enough. I'll be posting a full review of these earbuds very soon, so don't miss it. So what's the final verdict? The Honor X80 Pro Max is built for people who need a phone they can truly rely on. With its rugged durability, huge battery, impressive display, capable cameras, and smart AI features, it delivers a fantastic experience, both outdoors and in everyday use. That's it for today's video. What do you think about the Honor X80 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, drop them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.